Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel GK for everyone. Please do like our channel, share it and do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates of all our uploads regarding current affairs, GKs, quizzes and many more. Today on 23rd June, let's discuss something about static GK. So starting with the first question, where was the capital of Yadava emperors? The Yadava emperors had their capital on Devagiri. Where is Victory Pillar located? So it's located in Chittorgarh. Who was the last Mughal emperor of Delhi? He was Bahadur Shah Jafar. He was the successor of Akbar II and he is the last known Mughal emperor of Delhi. Who wrote Astadhyayi? Astadhyayi was written by Panini. It was a sutra style treatise on Sanskrit grammar which had 3959 rules of the linguistics and lots more regarding to Sanskrit grammar. It was basically a Vyakaran, which is also known as the rules of grammar. Who founded Ramakrishna Mission? Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda. It's a very common question. Which was the capital of the kingdom of Maharaja Ranjit Singh? Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the most powerful of the Sikh emperor in whose hands the Kohinoor rested for almost 38 years. Even the British feared of him, but after his death, his son, the boy king Dulip Singh, could not retain it, and the British, by their cunning plans, had their hands over the Kohinoor. So Maharaja Ranjit Singh had his capital over Lahore. Harsha Charitra was composed by Banabhatta. Which Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India announced the discovery of the Indus civilization? He was John Marshall. Which religion was patronized by the Chola kings? It's Shaivism. Shaivism is a religion which was most popularly Shiva or Rudra was worshipped in this religion. It was patronized by the Chola kings to a great extent. Amir Khusrau was a disciple of Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan was the founder of the famous Aligarh Muslim University or AMU. During whose reign did the Megasthenes came to India? They came to India during the reign of the famous emperor Chandragupta Maurya. Who wrote Panchatantra? It was Vishnu Sharma, the famous Panchatantra, which consisted of many stories. Where is Dilwara temple located? It is located in Mount Abu. Where was Gautam Buddha born? He was born in Lumbini. Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Which region of India has maximum Mesolithic rock paintings? The Mesolithic rock paintings are there in Bhimbekta. The Mesolithic were the rocks, the old rocks which were of the archaeological period between the upper Paleolithic and the Neolithic phase. Where is Taxila situated? It is situated in Pakistan. It's 32 km northwest of Islamabad its location, and it's a famous archaeological site, the Takshila. In which schedule are the official languages mentioned in the Indian Constitution? It is mentioned in Schedule 8. Dogri language is spoken in which Indian territory? Dogri, the language, is spoken in Jammu and Kashmir. When is National Youth Day celebrated every year? It's celebrated in 12th January. With whom is Bhargesh Kurin associated? He was associated with the White Revolution. He is also known as the milkman of India, the man behind the Amul Revolution. The long Walk to Freedom is the famous autobiography of Nelson Mandela. First English newspaper in India was the Bengal Gazette. It's known to everyone. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Rowlatt Act was passed? He was Lord Chelmsford. The period of which ruler is called the Marble Age? It's Shah Jahan. Which Rajputana state did not accept Akbar's sovereignty? It's Mewar. When East India Company came into existence, England was ruled by whom? England was ruled by the Normans. Goa was captured by Portuguese in the year 1510. So this is all for today from the section of Static GK on the day of 23rd June. Thank you. Stay tuned and please visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online for more such updates, and please do like our channel, share it, and also like our Facebook page. Thank you. Keep giving us good suggestions. Thank you. Have a nice day.